Good morning, dear children. Today we move on to the chapter Polynomials Part 4. Already we have seen what is a polynomial, what are the different types of polynomial, how to find value of a polynomial, zero of a polynomial, how to find the remainder, how to check whether a term is a factor or not. Now we move on to the factorization of a cubic polynomial. Let us learn the factorization of cubic polynomials with the help of an example. Factorize x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Let us take the polynomial as p of x. As it is a cubic polynomial, we will have three factors. For finding the factors, let us take the constant. Here the constant is 6. So we shall look for all the factors of 6. We know 1 into 6 is equal to 6 and 2 into 3 is also equal to 6. As we can see, positive or negative values can be satisfied. We are writing it as plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 6 are the factors of 6. For finding the factors, first we are going for a trial and error method. That is, we are going to substitute each of these factors in our polynomial to get that is equal to 0. Let us take x is equal to 1 as the first case. When we substitute x equal to 1 in our polynomial, we have p of 1 is equal to 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 11 into 1 minus 6, which is equal to 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. Adding the positive numbers we get 12 and adding the negative numbers we get minus 12, which is equal to 0. Since p of 1 equal to 0, we can say x minus 1 is a factor of our cubic polynomial. Similarly, we keep on trying with all the factors of 6 till we are able to find all the three factors of our polynomial. Let us take the second factor, that is x is equal to negative 1. When we substitute x equal to negative 1 in our polynomial, we have p of negative 1 is equal to negative 1 whole cube minus 6 into negative 1 square plus 11 into negative 1 minus 6, which is negative 1 minus 6 minus 11 minus 6 equal to negative 24 not equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor of our polynomial. When x is equal to 2 is given in the polynomial, we can see 2 cube minus 6 into 2 square plus 11 into 2 minus 6, which is equal to 8 minus 24 plus 22 minus 6 equal to 0. Since p of 2 equal to 0, we can say x minus 2 is a factor of our polynomial. So now we obtain the second factor, which is x minus 2. To find the third factor, we are going to give x is equal to negative 2. So we have p of negative 2 is equal to negative 2 cube minus 6 into negative 2 square plus 11 into negative 2 minus 6. Finally, we have negative 60 as our answer, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, we can say x plus 2 is not a factor of the polynomial. Keep on giving all the values of the factors of 6. We are going to give x is equal to 3. p of 3 is equal to 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square plus 11 into 3 minus 6, which is 60 minus 60 equal to 0. So finally, we obtain the third factor of the polynomial, which is x minus 3. Therefore, the factors of the polynomial x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 are x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3. So we can write it as a product of x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. In question number 1, we got the factors of a cubic polynomial by trial and error method. We have one more method for finding the factors of a cubic polynomial. Let us do the second question in that method. For doing factorization of a cubic polynomial by the second method also, first we need to find one of a factor using trial and error method. So for that we need to find the factors of the constant, that is 30. We can write the factors as plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 6, plus or minus 10, plus or minus 15 and the final plus or minus 30. By giving x is equal to 1 in the polynomial, we have 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 17 into 1 plus 30, which is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 17 plus 30, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, we can say x minus 1 is not a factor of our polynomial. Moving on to the next value, that is negative 1, we have p of negative 1 equal to 2 into negative 1 cube minus 3 into negative 1 square minus 17 into negative 1 plus 30, which is negative 2 minus 3 plus 17 plus 30, again not equal to 0. The third factor 2, p of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square minus 17 into 2 plus 30 is equal to 16 minus 12 minus 34 plus 30, which is equal to 0. Since p of 2 is equal to 0, x minus 2 is a factor of 2x cube minus 3x square minus 17x plus 30. Once we got a factor by trial and error method, we can divide our polynomial by the factor, which is x minus 2. So, the quotient obtained will be a quadratic polynomial. Then we can factorize the quadratic polynomial by using splitting the middle term method. Let us divide our polynomial 2x cube minus 3x square minus 17x plus 30 by x minus 2. For division, we divide first term of the dividend, that is 2x cube, by the first term of the divisor, that is x, which gives the first term of the quotient. Here we will get 2x cube by x, which is equal to 2x square. Now multiply the divisor by the first term of the quotient, 2x square into x minus 2, which is 2x cube minus 4x square. Now subtract. We can see 2x cube minus 2x cube gets cancelled, and the second term minus 3x square plus 4x square gives x square, bringing the remaining terms down, that is minus 17x plus 30. Now divide x square by x, which gives the quotient as x. Multiply x minus 2 with x, which give you x square minus 2x. On subtraction, we can see x square minus x square is 0. Negative 17x plus 2x is equal to negative 15x. Bring 30 down, which becomes negative 15x plus 30. On division, negative 15x by x, the quotient is negative 15. Multiplying negative 15 with x minus 2, we have negative 15x plus 30. On subtraction, the remainder becomes 0. Now we can see the quotient is a quadratic polynomial. Using the splitting the middle term method, we can find the remaining two factors of the polynomial. Here we are going to factorize 2x square plus x minus 15, where we can see the coefficient of x square is 2. So for factorizing, we need to take the factors of 2 into 15, that is 30. And we can find the numbers are 6 and 5. And writing the middle term as 2x square plus 6x minus 5x minus 15, we can take common factor 2x. We have 2x into x plus 3 minus 5 into x plus 3, which gives x plus 3 into 2x minus 5. Therefore, the three factors of the cubic polynomial are x minus 2, x plus 3 and 2x minus 5. In question number 2, we can see the coefficient of x cube is 2. So, it will be easy for us to go with our division method instead of trying with trial and error method. Let us do one more example. Factorize x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 2. Here the constant is 2. So the factors of 2 are plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 2. Giving x is equal to 1 in the polynomial, we have 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 minus 2, which is equal to 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 2 equal to 0. Since p of 1 is equal to 0, x minus 1 is a factor of x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 2. For finding one factor of a cubic polynomial, we should always apply trial and error method to find the first factor. Since x minus 1 is a factor of x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 2, let us divide x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 2 by x minus 1. Taking the first term of the dividend, that is x cube, and dividing by the first term of the divisor, that is x, we have x square as the quotient. Multiply x square with x minus 1. We can see x cube minus x square. On subtraction, we have x cube minus x cube, which is 0, and 2x square plus x square is 3x square. Bringing the next terms down, it will be 3x square minus x minus 2. Dividing 3x square by x, the quotient is 3x. Multiply 3x into x minus 1, which is 3x square minus 3x. On subtraction, we have 3x square minus 3x square, which is 0, and the next term minus x plus 3x, which is 2x. So we have 2x minus 2. Dividing 2x by x, the quotient is 2. Multiply 2 into x minus 1, which will be 2x minus 2. On subtraction, our remainder is 0. So, our quadratic polynomial is x square plus 3x plus 2. Now, factorize the quotient, that is x square plus 3x plus 2 is factorized using splitting the middle term. The constant is 2. So, the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. The middle term 3x can be split as 2x plus 1x. So, Taking common factor x, we have x into x plus 2 from the first and the second term, and 1 as common factor in the third and fourth term. We have 1 into x plus 2, which is equal to x plus 1 into x plus 2. Therefore, the cubic polynomial x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 2 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x plus 2. Based on these examples, you can practice assignment questions 1 and exercise question 2.4, question number 5. Thank you.